Hey, it's James with Detailed Image, and today we're going to be talking about a new polisher and a new polishing system. And as detailers, right, we're obsessed with polishers. We want to see how they're going to affect our business and how ultimately we're going to get a better result on the paint. Rupes has just introduced the Mille system, which is a completely new system to the Rupes lineup. It consists of three definitive parts. You have the LK900E gear-driven dual-action polisher and tailor-made pads and polishing liquids. So now all the components of the Mille system are now made solely in-house by Rupes, which is creating a seamless integration between the three main parts: machine, pad, and polishes. And now for the specs of the new machine, the LK900E. The machine has a 900-watt motor, which is a ton of power, and a 5.2mm orbit. It comes with a 30-foot cord, making extension cords not always required, which is a neat feature, and rubber stabilizers from the Mark II that I loved that allowed you to place the machine on a flat surface without having to just tip over. It's compatible with two backing plate sizes, 5 and 6 inch, allowing the technician to choose their desired pad size without affecting comfort, performance, or vibration of the machine. Now, what is a gear-driven dual-action polisher? In a gear-driven tool, the motor powers both oscillation and rotation. Basically, gears are forcing that movement, so it's not going to bog down under pressure. Now, this allows the machine to kind of be in the middle ground of aggressiveness, in between the aggressive nature of a rotary polisher, which requires a high level of skill, and the less aggressive approach of a random orbital polisher. Gear-driven dual-action polishers produce a very effective and a very predictable movement, allowing for much less technique and user skill to achieve a desired result. This makes it a great option for the beginner looking for a nice balance between cutting and corrective ability and safety. Since the machine will not bog down under heavy pressure, it's also very effective on a variety of panel shapes and sizes. The LK900E is also a great tool for edge work, producing even cutting ability over the entire diameter of the pad. Now let's talk about the next part of the system, the pads and the polishes. Now, there are a variety of pad and polish combinations within the Mille system. There are low-profile open cell foam pads, there are some really nice heavy-cutting wool pads, and three distinctive polishing liquids, from heavy cutting all the way down to ultra-fine polishing. But they are all together specifically designed to allow for smooth and comfortable operation of the machine. Now, the pads are also color-coded to their polishing liquid equivalent, which allows you to easily apply this procedure or this system to a variety of different paint finishes. Now, overall, this system combines easy-to-use components that produce effective, predictable, and safe polishing results.